Hi friends, welcome to Assista Colors channel. In this video, we will talk about the weekly breakouts. Why only weekly breakouts? So weekly breakouts gives much results than the daily breakouts. When a weekly breakout happens, definitely it will give a good moves. And daily breakout also we can take, but it will impact for only short period of time, like 2 to 4 days or 10 days. But weekly breakout definitely will have impact to 4 to 10 weeks or 20 weeks. So that's why we are picking weekly breakouts, and it can easily, this is for pure positional trades. We are analyzing it. If you are going to use intraday, that is you can expect some good moves also for on weekly breakout stocks, but we are mainly focusing on positional trades. So how to get the stocks and how to enter into a trade, how to manage the risk, and we'll be seeing in this video. So first part, how to pick the stocks. As part of this week, we have picked Shell Pens, Upper Industries, A Hotel, Monte Carlo, Wheels, and Non-Mobile. How to pick them? So let us just go to our site, SS Stock Alerts. So once you come to SS Stock Alerts, there is the scans. Just click on scans, and usually it will be like in the basic mode. Just go to advanced and then just click on weekly breakout stocks. So once you click this weekly breakout stocks, you will get the list, right? Before instead of reviewing all the stocks, so what my primarily criteria is, just go to filter and see the volume which has a less than 1 lakh. Just filter it. We don't need stocks which are less than 1 lakh, or if you are consider like low float volume also, you can just go for a 50,000 volume. So here in this video I'm just using the 1 lakh and the okay, and just click on apply. So initially there were 78 results. Now it is filtered out to 65. Usually this weekly breakout stocks will give you near 65 to 100 stocks out of 1800 from the NSE. So from 1800 it is showing only 65 now. Now we want to pick these stocks, but we cannot consider position in all the 65, right? So we want to get the best stocks for our positional trade. So what we should do, the next things, right? So the one criteria I will look for is the change percentage from 52 weeks low. It should be at least minimum 100 percentage, so that the stock has rallied from its 52-week low to 100 percentage, means it has a much ability to do further also. So here, as part of this weekly breakout predefined list, right, mainly we are using three basic scans. One is resistance breakout on weekly. So we want to see which has given a breakout on weekly, and green strength candle. So a candle body should be greater than 50% of its total body, and high momentum. So this is we call it as a, this is Mark Minervini template. So we call in our scan it as a high momentum. So our Mark Minervini Cepha strategy, so it is a high momentum, is nothing but that Cepha scan. So Mark Minervini Cepha scan, so we included three. So when we are using advanced scans, right, a stock should be listed for all these three criterias, then only the list will come. So here we got this list for all these three. Now it is we have to pick any good stock from here. So what I will do, just click on um, a, a chart. So I will go into the chart reading mode. Instead of just reading here, I will just into the reading mode. So now you can see you have much space, and you can see much cleaner in the chart. So first we want to see whether it has given a breakout or not. Just go to weekly, right? And then what we need to do is just click on support and just click on this higher high, so that you will see the points whether it's in upturn or low. Okay, and you can just go here and just draw the 20 SMA. So that's all my chart reading, like chart first part is done. And if you see, okay, and there are 65 charts are there, so we have to go to manually one by one. Here what usually I will look for picking the stocks, so let me explain here. So this SMA or EMA, whichever you selected, so it should be in the uptrend, so it should pointing to the uptrend. So in weekly I'm selecting 20, means in daily it will be like 100, so 100 SMA. So usually I'll go for 20 SMA in weekly. So the first thing, it is in the uptrend. The next thing is, whenever a breakout, this is the breakout candle, if you see, this is the high, recent high, it is breaking here. And see the volume, which is highest volume, and the volume are picking from here. See if the volumes are picking from this point, like the stock has fallen, and it is reversal. So in the reversal process, you just check the volume, it is very good volume, so it can be under our radar. So how you will do that, just go here and save as image, so automatically this image will be downloaded, and finally we'll picking the best one. I'm clicking on the, you can just click on this button or a down arrow or next arrow in your chart, so you will be getting the list. Okay, the next one, so here if you see, right, this is very late to enter into this trade. So usually whenever a stock is rallied more than 20 percentage, I will not take the trade. So if you see the last candle, it has rallied 58 percentage. So do not enter such breakouts, do not enter such breakouts. And it is very far from our breakout line also. So anytime it can be retest this level, so we don't want to enter this stock at this stage. But we could have seen this stock last week, and we could have entered last week. So after very period of consolidation, it given a breakout and it went like too much. So now it's not a good time to enter in this stock. So I'm not downloading this stock, I'm not considering for this week. Yeah, and here the there is no good support very near, so I'm not picking this at all. This is a nifty chart, we don't want to consider about it. So right, usually what my favorite pattern is, a stock should go to the uptrend, and then once it is given a breakout, it should consolidate sometime. So obviously the price will come down again when it makes the breakout, like after a period of run, it will have some down days or down weeks. Then whenever it is making a breakout on its recent previous high, like it's a higher high, whenever it is making previous high, that time, that week we should enter. So suppose if we take this week, we should have enter here, we should have entered at 117, we should reach it to 172, and even the volume also very high in this candle. So we want to look for such patterns in this weekly breakouts. So it will give you the best performance. I have seen this one for last 1 year. So whenever I'm picking, my all stock picks will be like that. So and just click on go to next. Yeah, you can, this type of pattern I want to see, but the volume is just above average volume, but I want to get the good volume. Yeah, Grasim, this is just after period of run, it went down, but again it's coming up. If you see in the daily chart, it has a BCP pattern, classic BCP pattern. So definitely it is going to do a good run. But as part of weekly, I'm just not picking right now. Let it break it, give a breakout. So here again, I told you, right, my classic pattern, it should go up and just go down for some weeks with the lesser volume. See the volume here, and it should give a breakout. So if you enter at this breakout level, right, easily you can reach the this 10 to 15 percentage moves, that much easily you can get it in the this weekly breakouts. So here, right, see the again example, it went like this, and there is some uh, again down weeks, and see the volume, very less volume after the on breakouts. The volume is very high, but the volume, see the volume on pullback, it is very low, and it is reversed with a very good breakout and with a good candle. So you can see, so at this time only we want to enter it, but now right now this is not a good time to enter. Let it just go, and we'll pick the some good stocks. So Ropa, it is a very good breakout. Although it is a good breakout, but the stock went too much, and it is not very near to our breakout level. So that's the reason only I'm not picking this stock. But if it is if it had ended here, I would select this stock. But this is the classic pattern we are looking on the chart. So let us just see the we got, so it has run it, and there was a pullback also, and now it is given a breakout. So we can consider this for a just for list. So I'm just downloading it again. So RK4, so like this you have to go through the charts till the our 65. See the upper industries, yeah, this is a breakout, and it is challenged its recent previous high, and once it is cleared, the stock can really go here. So like this we have to download the stocks. So friends, already I have downloaded this list. I'll just, so once I download, what I will do, I'll just show that, so that we can see the already shortlisted stocks for this week. But you can you have to go through like this for your analysis if you want to really improve your chart trading skills. Yeah, so this is again a good breakout. Just going like where I have downloaded. So just go to your downloads, right? So here example I have downloaded VGuard and High Tech, but I have to like, usually I'll pick when I'm clicking download, all things will be downloaded here. So what I will do is I'll just select this and go to, so in my trading what I will do is I will maintain all these charts, so that we can refer in the later. So by year I want to go for weekly breakouts. So just create a folder for the week which you want to improve, like which you want to analyze. So for 30, so I have downloaded almost here some 5. So here some 6 stocks are there, and here almost some 8 stocks are there, and there are some another 3. So total almost some 15 stocks I have shortlisted, but we cannot take in the 15, right? So let me just show that here. So once I downloaded, what I will do is I will just place them in a folder, and I will verify it here. Yeah, this is the pattern we are looking. See, right, it went high, and there is a pullback. After the pullback, again there is a breakout. So this is the pattern we are looking. So that's why this stock got shortlisted. And this pattern, why we have shortlisted the breakout candle with the highest volume. And another thing is, before breakout there is a consolidation. So see, right, the breakout, before the breakout there is a consolidation, and it looks like a flag pattern also. That's why I downloaded shortlisted here. And if you see the pin cables, so again there is a pullback here and a breakout with the highest volume. But why so that's why it is get shortlisted. And Jindalsa again, so see the volume in the right side, highest volumes. So these are not retailer volumes. A retailer volume cannot be like this. So definitely it should be some big guys who are taking the position in the stocks. And TTL, see the classic pattern which I am looking for here is the almost, it should go up, and there should be some pullback, and again it should give a breakout. Definitely it will reach to its whatever the highest previous highs, it will break. So we got already, we have seen this. So these are the stocks, and out of these stocks, what I have to do is, once I download all the stocks, I will pick the best stocks into top 4. Either this folder will have only some top 5 or 6 stocks. So out of that stocks only, I'm just categorizing them as a topper. So just I'll just open this topper stock, right? See the volume here. In the chart also we can see the same. So the volume, it is highest on the breakout days. If you see the highest volumes, on the pullback days it is a very low volume. So definitely it is the good trend. And see the this moving average also, it is moving towards. And it is, we are picking this from our Mark Minervini template. So if you guys already aware of the Mark Minervini template, it's like a 50 SMA should be above 100 SMA, and 150 SMA and 150 SMA should be above the 200 SMA, and 50 days should be greater than 200, and stock should rally from its low to at least 100 percentage, and it should be in the 52 weeks high range. So all this criteria it has to meet to come into the Mark Minervini template. And we can see on how we are picking these targets, right? So these targets is very simple. You can just see the recent highs, like where is the next recent highs. So if you see here, this is the next recent higher highs, and this is the next one. So this will be our targets. That's why we are giving 700, and these levels as our targets. Like this you can do your own. And where your support, usually when you enter at a breakout, so usually what will happen is, either you can wait for this breakout line to retest, or you can take a pilot buy at the current price and buy some more stocks when it is moving in your direction at least 2 to 3 percentage. So stop loss should be maximum 7 percentage only. Just keep maximum 7 percentage, or this breakout candle low, whichever is your convenient method. But if you are going for targets like this, suppose some 800 and 850, your target current price is 580, right? So 200 points you are looking, then you can keep for some 1 is to risk is 1 is to 2 reward ratio. So you can keep that much as your SL, but you have to maintain your position sizing. If you are keeping long points, like you have to maintain your position sizing. Next one is EA hotel. So see the right, when I'm just it went up for from here, but it came down again, it's given a pullback, again it's giving a breakout. And why I'm picking this stock is, in the sector also there is a uh, breakout happen in the this sector. So like this, we'll just see the classic VCP pattern. And the what is this VCP pattern is very simple. So if you calculate from its high to here, there is a large number of points it's fall. Like once it is up, if you calculate its high to its low, it is not like half of the this first one. So whenever it is making a large move, and now it's making a smaller moves, so definitely this is a classic VCP pattern. And the volume also above the high. And you can go for a next stock. So this is on mobile, it went up and there is a consolidation here, again it's giving a breakout. So let's just, and once you are ready with these stocks, right, like once you are went down with all these stock patterns in the full screen like this. So here once you went down all the stocks, now we have downloaded a few, right? So and we want to pick them, which stocks to pick. Suppose I have shortlisted almost some 10 stocks or 15 stocks, how I will end up with the good stocks here. So what I will do is, usually I will go to the sector analysis, just click on it, And if you see the sector analysis, this breakout and this high momentum like SEPA strategy and all, so these are the sector leading. I want to go for a leading sector stocks, not the any other sector stocks. If you see the pharma sectors, only two stocks are, but I don't want to. I want to go to a leading sector. See, software sector is a leading sector, and textile and machinery, chemicals. These are the leading sectors. I want to pick a stock from only these sectors. So I will go to this table. So here you can see we have selected on mobile, and there is a another chart also. So Trigen also I have selected, but now I don't want to select same stocks or few stocks from single sector. So I will select only one, either on mobile or a Trigen based on the charts. So I went with the on mobile just based on the volume and those things. And if you see here Ropa and Luxembourg, there are so many things which has given a breakout, and we have seen in the charts also. But I want to select only one from this textile sector. So that's why I went with the Monte Carlo. So where we have seen this chart, and in the chemical, in the machinery sector, I want to select a stock. So I'm going with the upper industries. There are other things also. Fin cables also looks good, which we have selected, shortlisted. But for me, upper industries looks good than the fin cables. So just selected upper industries here. And you can just see on paints, right? In the paints, Asian paint is there and Shal paints is there. So I went with the, let us just see Shal paints, right? If you see the chart on weekly, it looks fantastic. See our, see whatever the pattern we are looking, it is there. The volume is picking like anything, and there is no overhead supply also here in this range. So definitely it can double the our investment pick. So you have to wait for some few weeks. Definitely it will double your why I'm saying is, already if you see the 52 weeks low, it's 42. Now the current price is almost 117. So it means it is written already more than 200% returns, and it has the ability to go for another 100% return from 117 to almost 220 or 230. But you have to wait for some time. It cannot done in the 1 or 2 weeks. You have to wait for some few weeks or few months to, if you want to achieve the super performance. So that's all, friends. Now we have seen, right, how to pick the stocks, breakout stocks, and how to, and once we downloaded all the stocks and how to shortlist them. So we are using the sector analysis, we have shortlisted them instead of overlapping same stocks from the same sector. We have shortlisted them, and once we are done, so now we are ready with the stock list. So these are our list for this week. And either you can enter in the breakout levels, or you can wait for the it retest at this here, or what you can do is you can enter in the breakout level. So with the pilot buys, and just buy above its high candle, whatever the high it is there, right? Buy above, take your position, original position, with the good quantity. And please make sure that you keep your SL as a 7% or maintain your position sizing. Position, always do your position sizing. So what is this position sizing? You can just go here and see, this is the stocks where you can just enter your stock price, entry price, and what is your target price, and it will, and what is your total amount. So, and it will calculate the how many number of stocks you want to buy. So please do the position sizing. It will have a huge impact in your trading. So that's all, friends, for this week. So I hope this video will helps you out to pick the weekly breakout stocks. Same thing you can apply for daily also. You can just select the resistance breakout on daily and just click on daily. So it will and you can apply same thing on the daily candles, and you can ready with your daily breakouts also. I hope this video helps you to pick the resistance breakout stocks, and happy trading. Please subscribe our SS Stock Alert channel. Thank you for watching.